Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. I remain Team Tech. So today, I know we all are excited by my previous video on how to make money on Whop. So today, I'll be showing you the necessary don't on Whop in order for you to avoid being suspended or losing out on your funds. These things are very keynote things that you should pay attention to because they can cost you a lot on Whop. So let's get started. So first things first, I would like to establish for the fact that you don't sell prohibited items on Whop. You don't sell prohibited items on Whop. So there's no hacking tools, no stolen accounts, and no adult content. Emphasis on no adult content. So all content should not be rated 18 plus. So you should not sell any of this content in case you are intending to have a community and sell product on Whop. So next thing I will talk about is don't scam buyers. You don't intend to come on Whop and take advantages of everyone on Whop. You will surely be suspended when caught. So you don't sell fake products, and once you do, it results to instant ban and there's zero refund. So as well, this is very crucial. Do not share your account. You might want to let like a friend have access to your account, and in that case, that scenario, there might be repercussion. Yeah, probably your friend might not be so aware of the terms and conditions and thereby negate it. I'm sorry to break this down to you. Your account is likely to be banned or suspended at that instances. So it is better to be on the safer side by managing your account all by yourself, since you know about the terms and conditions. So it's a different case scenario when your other party knows about the terms and conditions. So it's always advisable you don't share your account, because any misuse of it, it's totally your responsibility. The admin won't listen to any excuses because they're also being regulated. So, and I want to talk about this as well, because I know most people would like to always do this. They fall into this category. You do not bypass Whop fees. As much as we are aware that countries, the fees, the transaction fees, the withdrawal fee for countries varies, and for your country it might be higher. So you might tend to want to withdraw by bypassing the fee. What do I mean? You do not make pay me offline deals. Yeah, thereby you message someone on Whop, try to negotiate on fees, then send that person a particular amount of money like a gift. Then the person sends you the money offline. Once you are caught, you will be suspended. There should not be any external exchange between you and anybody on Whop. For you to be on the safer side, you should only withdraw to your account. The linked account on your Whop should be only the means of withdrawal for you. You don't want to spend in a lot of effort and lose out on your funds. So it's better you remain on the safer side of things. So the next one is do not use copyrighted materials. You only sell what you have an own right to. So if you wish and want to sell things on Upwork, like a digital course, make sure you put in the effort. Make sure it is yours, even though you are trying to make use of other people's thing. Make sure you have the license to that thing, because it's gonna backfire at some point in time. So, and the next one on my list, I'm going to talk about do not ignore disputes. And this is basically for people that are trying to sell courses and all. So it is better you should be customer aware. You should always pay attention to the complaints of people, the buyer, your buyers, because it's a two-way thing. The more you also get to do things, you should also be more concerned about customer satisfaction. So you address your customer issue fast to avoid penalties. And aside from even avoiding penalties, once you try to attend to customer, you might even likely get referrals. Once you have that quick customer response to people, you are likely to get more referral and grow your community largely. So my last and not the least I'll be talking about right here is don't buy or sell your Whop account. Whop does not give you a high level of restriction not to create account. So I see no reason why you should buy or sell your work account. Regardless of the history you've made on your work, regardless of how reputable the account has been, you don't sell or buy a Whop account, because this violates the terms and condition of work entirely. So I don't want you to fall victim to this. I have seen a lot of people who have made a lot of money, but at the end of the thing, they made a silly mistake by not reading the terms and conditions, and they fall victim and they were suspended. So I am bringing this to you guys right now. If you are already on Whop or you are about to start out, make sure you have all of these things in mind and you do not violate any of them for you to be on the safer side. So I'm really glad to have you on board, and if you're already on Whop already, make sure you stay connected to my YouTube channel, you subscribe, because I'll be releasing more and more educating videos on Whop. So stay connected, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.
Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself. I am a freelance video producer based in London. I've worked with clients like Google, Sony Music, HSBC, Vodafone, and Cisco, to name a few. I've been a freelancer for about 10 years now, and during those years, I've learned a lot about how to build and run my one-man freelance business. That's why now, after years of accumulating a fair amount of insight and experience, I want to share this knowledge with people that are developing their own freelance careers today, to help them make a fast and easy start. I will cover everything I personally wish I knew years ago when I started: where to begin, how to put together a portfolio, how to find clients, how to negotiate budgets, how to manage difficult clients, how to organize and run multiple projects simultaneously, how to manage the legal aspects of your work, how to better organize your time with your day-to-day work and your personal life around it. I've been working on this course for over a year, and I'm delighted to share it with you now. Freelance career? Have you been wondering where to begin? Freelance Hub offers a comprehensive online video course for freelancers. Jumpstart and develop your freelance career. Let me introduce myself.